Welcome to Auto Paradise. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting scooters of 2025, the Yamaha Aerox 155. If you're a fan of sporty, stylish, and performance-packed scooters, this one deserves your attention. Yamaha has taken an already incredible machine and made it even better for 2025, with new features, improved technology, and a fresh look that will surely turn heads. So, let's explore what makes the new Aerox 155 a standout in its category. First things first, the design. Yamaha has always been known for its aggressive styling, and the 2025 Aerox 155 takes it to the next level. The sharp, aerodynamic bodywork not only enhances its sporty appeal but also improves efficiency. The new LED headlight and taillight design give it a futuristic look, while the updated graphics add a premium feel. Yamaha has introduced new color options that make the Aerox 155 even more attractive, catering to riders who love both bold and sleek finishes. The muscular stance, combined with its lightweight frame, ensures that it looks as fast as it feels. Under the hood, the Aerox 155 continues to be powered by the proven 155cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, SOHC engine with variable valve actuation (VVA). This technology allows the scooter to deliver excellent low-end torque and strong top-end performance, making it ideal for city rides and highway cruising. With a power output of around 15 horsepower, the Aerox 155 is one of the most powerful scooters in its class. The Blue Core technology ensures improved fuel efficiency without compromising performance. Yamaha has also fine-tuned the engine mapping for 2025, resulting in smoother throttle response and better acceleration. Now, let's talk about the features and technology. Yamaha has packed the new Aerox 155 with advanced tech that enhances convenience and safety. One of the biggest upgrades for 2025 is the new fully digital instrument cluster with smartphone connectivity. Through the Yamaha Y-Connect app, riders can access notifications, battery status, maintenance alerts, and even fuel consumption data. This makes the riding experience more connected and seamless. The scooter also comes with a keyless ignition system, making it easier to start and secure. The Smart Motor Generator (SMG) ensures a silent and smooth start every time. Another important upgrade is the ABS anti-lock braking system, which now comes as standard on both front and rear wheels. This significantly improves braking performance and safety, especially in wet or slippery conditions. The front telescopic forks and rear twin shock absorbers have been slightly retuned for better ride comfort and stability, making it a great option for daily commutes and long rides alike. The lightweight yet strong underbone frame provides excellent agility, allowing riders to navigate through traffic with ease. Storage is another strong point of the Aerox 155. The large 25-liter under-seat storage compartment is spacious enough to fit a full-face helmet and other essentials. There's also a USB charging port conveniently placed in the front storage compartment, allowing riders to charge their devices on the go. These small but practical features make a huge difference in daily use. Fuel efficiency has always been a highlight of the Aerox 155, and the 2025 model continues to deliver impressive mileage. Thanks to Yamaha's stop-start system, the scooter automatically shuts off the engine when idling at traffic signals and restarts with a slight twist of the throttle, saving fuel and reducing emissions. With a 5.5-liter fuel tank, riders can enjoy longer rides without frequent refueling stops. When it comes to handling, the Aerox 155 remains one of the best in its class. The 14-inch wheels with wide tires provide excellent grip and stability, ensuring confidence while cornering or riding at high speeds. The seat height and ergonomics have been designed for maximum comfort, making it suitable for riders of all heights. Whether you're zipping through city streets or taking on long-distance journeys, the Aerox 155 offers a balanced and enjoyable ride. So, who is the 2025 Yamaha Aerox 155 for? It's perfect for young riders who want a stylish and performance-oriented scooter, daily commuters looking for a reliable and fuel-efficient option, and even enthusiasts who enjoy sporty riding dynamics. With its powerful engine, advanced features, and eye-catching design, the Aerox 155 stands out in the crowded scooter market. Yamaha has once again set a benchmark in the premium scooter segment, proving that performance and practicality can go hand in hand. If you're looking for a scooter that offers excitement, efficiency, and modern technology, the 2025 Yamaha Aerox 155 is a fantastic choice. Let us know in the comments what you think about this latest model. Would you consider getting one? That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Paradise for more exciting automotive content. Stay tuned for more reviews, comparisons, and test rides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.